I'm going to call this the M112, M113 Forgotten Seal video, because I think this particular critical seal on the intake air system gets forgotten, does not get replaced. Now, if you're removing the mass airflow sensor from the top of this elbow, a lot of times this seal gets replaced, but it's this bottom seal that goes into the intake on the engine that I find is a problem. And if you look at this one, you can actually see where dirt has gotten in here. And if you look closely at the ridge of the seal itself, right here, it has collapsed. Look at the difference between that and the new seal that I'm going to install here. And you can also see that there's a difference in the diameter of the inside hole, because this has just gotten old. After 20 years, these get old, they get hard, they lose their seal, and if it's bad enough, just like here, you can see how dirt and grime can be sucked right into the intake, and that's going to shorten the life of your pistons and piston rings. I think you'll find this interesting. Here's the old seal, and I'm going to slip it over this housing here, and notice it just slips on and falls off. I actually found that elbow was loose, and that's what made me suspicious about this seal. If I take the new seal here, watch the difference. I mean, I literally have to stretch the seal and push to get it to go on. So I think you can see how important this is. If you have one of these 6-cylinder, 8-cylinder engines, don't forget about this forgotten seal.